Good morning, class 3. Today we are going to revise the chapter The Simple Past Tense. Fine. What do you mean by simple past tense? Simple past tense tells us what happened in the past. In the past means the action was done in the past and now it is over. Fine. This is simple past tense. We generally add ed or d to the verb to convert it into its past form. For example, if in the present form it is play. Fine. How to convert this thing into its past form? It will be played. We add ed to it. Fine. If the present form is wash, how will we convert it into the past form? Washed. We add ed to it. If the present form is cycle, we'll add the d to it. So, very simply, how can we get the simple past form? Generally, we add ed or t to the verbs and we convert them into their past form. Clear? Now, what happens? Sometimes we need to change the spelling of the verb. The spelling of the verb changes in their past form. How? For example, if I say sing, we'll not be adding ed or d to it. There will be a change in the spelling and it will be sang. Fine. I know there are many past forms. Earlier also I told you that we need to remember, we need to memorize the past forms. And with practice, this will come into flow. Okay. Like for example, drink. So we will not add ed to it or d to it to convert it into its past form. It will be drank. So we need to remember that not only we'll be adding ed or d to the verbs to convert them to their past forms, the spellings also can undergo a change. Fine. Sometimes we change the verb completely. Here the spelling is only changed. At few places, the verb changes completely. For example, go. We will not add ed or d to it. The spelling will not change, but it will change completely. It will become went. Tell. Tell. It will undergo a change and it will be told. My grandmother told a lovely story yesterday. So there are verbs when we need to change the verb completely. The verb completely changes. And there are few verbs where there is no change in the spelling. Whatever is there in the present form, same is used in the past form also. There are few verbs like this also. For example, cut. The present will be cut and the past will also be cut. Hit. The present and past are same. They are same. So beta, we need to remember that firstly, simple past tense, it tells us what happened in the past. The action is over. Okay. We can add ed or d to convert the present form into its past form. Sometimes the verb changes completely. Sometimes the spelling changes and sometimes there is no change. Okay. So these things we need to keep in mind. There are many verbs, I know, but with practice, we'll quickly come to know, we'll quickly realize what will be the past form of any particular verb. Okay. So you are going to take a note of the general verbs that we use generally. Okay. So you are going to take a note of that, and you are going to remember, try to memorize many of the verbs and their past forms. Please try to remember that. Okay? Bye.